We've been working for a few years with our kit partner PlayerLayer, looking for more sustainable materials for shirts. This is after I learned that the default for modern sports kit had really become 100% plastic, which didn't make a lot of sense to me from an environment perspective, but also from a performance perspective, because plastic makes you sweat and it takes energy to cool yourself down. So we went looking for alternatives and came up with bamboo about 2 years ago. And since then, we've been looking for more sustainable versions, and they came up with coffee a few months ago.